We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can check the firmware version for this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So first way to do that is through the gimbal itself. So power it on, then launch settings by pressing the left side dial button. Here look for the advanced options, then go into the other section, and next open the firmware version. And here you'll find the gimbal firmware version, the GCU version, IMU version, what else? Roll motor version and Bluetooth version as well. So all the versions that you'll ever need to know. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.